Hello everyone, my name is Maria Morvay. I'm a lawyer and founding principal at MMA Law Firm, and we're a legal practice here in Toronto, Ontario, specializing in real estate business and corporate transactions. I'm happy to be here today on Pasargad TV to discuss with our viewers special issues that they face when they purchase new development. When you purchase a new development, you will be receiving disclosure statement and some other documents which we're going to talk about in a second. Following receipt of these documents, you will have a 10 days so-called cooling off period, during which period you have an option to either rescind your transaction or renegotiate the certain terms of your transaction. I encourage our viewers to take the full advantage of this window of opportunity and retain the solicitor as soon as possible to make the changes to the certain terms of their purchase. I can bring you a few examples of those changes. A very important change, or just the review that the lawyer can provide you with, would be to ensure that your agreement and any changes to the agreement actually reflect everything you were promised during the marketing period. For example, if you were promised the free assignment, there should be a certain amendment to the agreement providing for the free assignment. The next change the lawyer could handle for you would be an additional cap or deletion of certain administrative charges. Another good idea would be to negotiate an option for you to pay towards the purchase price on occupancy. If you have some available cash, you can use this option to lower your occupancy fees, which are monthly fees. For those of us who are not sure whether they'll be able to obtain financing on closing, they may negotiate an option of VTB with the vendor, which is the vendor take-back mortgage provided by the vendor to the purchaser on certain terms. As many of our viewers know, Tarion Warranty Corporation works to safeguard interest of purchasers of new development. It is important to note that effective February 1st, 2021, a new authority called the Home Construction Regulatory Authority has been created with the exception of certain homeowner warranty rights which still remain with Tarion. Not only it affected the process of submitting claims against the vendor and the builder, it also affected the documents that the purchasers of new development now obtain when they enter the agreement of purchase and sale. Those documents now include new form of addendum, warranty information sheet, and the condominium buyer guide. Our purchasers may be stressed and overwhelmed by the amount of paperwork that they may receive from the vendor condo developer when they enter the agreement of purchase and sale. But don't worry, your lawyer should know exactly how to work the documents through and what to look for in those documents. That being said, I do encourage everyone to review the condominium buyer guide because it does contain a lot of important and detailed information that is important for you to know for your own personal use. Another thing I wanted to mention today is that the buyers of the new construction condominiums also need to maybe become aware whether the development got any plans for future phasing. Phasing would mean that additional amenities, units, or even entire building can be built by the same builder on the site. This, of course, will limit the access to certain advertised amenities and affect the purchaser's overall enjoyment of the property. So I do encourage our viewers to discuss the phasing plans of the development with their vendor. And finally, last but not the least, when you get to final closing, your real estate lawyer, of course, will help you to secure the title policy for your purchase of new development units, which will, of course, address a lot of possible issues that may or may not occur after the closing. For more information or for obtaining a specific legal advice, please talk to your lawyer. Again, happy to be here with you on Pasargad TV. See you next time and have a great day.